If you want to install GCam on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your tablet. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just open this website. Tap on download now. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Google Camera 9.6. Now just scroll down and tap on download for Samsung phones. Now from here, just tap on this link. Select download anyway. Then tap on details. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds until Google Camera is installed on your tablet. Once Google Camera is installed, just tap on it and select install. Now after you do that, just tap on open. Now just select while using the app and tap on allow. Select done. Now as you can see, we have successfully installed Google Camera on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can install Google Camera on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.